Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Workspace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a Gmail alias in Google Workspace, or formerly known as G Suite, allows users to have multiple email addresses linked to a single primary account. This is very useful for organizing email workflows or managing multiple roles. Now, you have two options accessing the admin console. So, one is when you logged into your Google Workspace account, you will be hovered to the Google admin. If you are using the Gmail, just like this one, hover to the Google Apps and look for the admin console. You see this one right here? Click on it and you will still be forwarded to the same dashboard earlier. Now, from this instance, for you to be able to create a Gmail alias, you see this button right here, click the create an alternate email address. What will happen is enter the user who needs an alternate email. For example, I'm going to be putting in my name. That's dflaps. And just enter it and click the proceed button. All right, wait for it to load. It takes a little while. Now from here, you can click the picture right here to create a new photo. All right, so when it's loaded, so we have like a customized profile photo that we can use. Now in this section, you see you can give this user up to 30 alternate emails at no extra cost, which is kind of like very helpful and handy because you can still sign in with your primary email. Now, for in this instance, let's say how to, you see the domain, that is going to be dflaps.com. All right, so I'm going to quickly show you my domain, which is this, dflaps.com, and powered by Squarespace. So I want to create multiple kind of like Gmail alias in my Google Workspace. All right, now that's going to be how to videos at dflaps.com. All right, click on save, wait for it. All right, takes a little while. As you can see, we have successfully added the alternate email address, which is howtovideo at dflaps.com. You can put in the employee information later, the email home, and a lot more, all right? But for now, we're gonna go to the Gmail account. So if you want to access that, go to the Google Apps, click on the Gmail. You will be forwarded here. Now, once you're here, I want you to click the gear icon on the top corner. Click the see all settings. And just here, click the accounts. All right, and then as you can see, and then click the add another email address. You'll be prompted to a new pop-up window. Just make sure that the email address is correct. And I believe that's howtovideos at dflaps.com. But if you want, you can quickly switch over to your Google Workspace just to make sure that we have typed in the correct email address. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this instead. All right, and then just to make sure that we're right, I'm gonna switch over again to the Gmail and paste it in and click the next step. All right, and then now once it's added, as you can see, if we type in a new mail here, for example, I'm gonna put in the subject. All right, then add an image. And then click the upload button. All right, and then for from to, you see, you have now two options to use: the how to video and the main Gmail address. All right, of course you can send that if you wanted, and then switch over very quickly to the Google Workspace admin console by clicking this button right here. And then hover back again to the user You see this right here? Click that. And then in the next side, you can add alternate emails. You see we have this. And if you want to add an alternate email again, all right, you can do that as well. All right, for example, this is going to be support@info. Support, or let's say maybe info. It doesn't matter. All right, so or maybe customer service for your team, or maybe inquiry if someone is wanting to collaborate with your production. Click the save button. We have now all these aliases. All right, how to video at gflaps.com and inquiry if someone is wanted to collaborate. Now the alternate email address, all right, all I have to do is again do the same thing at your Gmail. I want you to hover again to the Gmail, all right, very quickly. And again, on the gear icon, I want you to click the see all settings. Just wait for it to load. Go to the accounts, add another email address. You will be prompted here. And as you can see, at gflaps.com. Click the next step. Wait for it to load. And you have now 3 email addresses, or the alias. All right. And again, if you click the compose button, you have all of these sorted out. It's kind of very easy. Now, once you have added all these, all right, so you have 3 email or aliases that you can use whenever you wanted here in Gmail or your admin console. So for example, if we're going to use the inquiry right here, we might want to go to the forwarding here by creating a filter from, all right, and click on search, all right, if you wanted, then create a filter. All right, so from here, that is going to be a filter for that specific email. All right, and then add a forwarding address. And then you can also go to the section right here, go to the inbox. You can set a signature for a specific email since you have 3 of them, right? Hover down here, create a new one for the email signatures because you are using 3 of them. Now, this is for the inquiry. Click on create. And of course, you can put the relatively kind of the signature default for that. You see, you have an email address for the 3 of them. We're going to use inquiry, all right, and click on reply forward, all right. You have all of these since we have created 3 aliases. You can put in some text here and click the set save changes. And that's basically how you create Gmail alias in Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.